Challenge me. Doubt me. Disrespect me. Tell me I'm older. Tell me I'm slower. Tell me I can no longer fly. I want you to.
What's happening, my people? So it's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video. So today, what we're gonna be bringing you is something I've been wanting these for over 20 years, for 25 years, pretty much. Back when MJ was doing his thing. Man, when I was younger, I thought that that these shoes, I thought MJ shoes had springs or something in them. We used to think, oh, they gonna make you jump higher, man. They got springs underneath the soles and stuff. Like, I'm country, and I never had them. So, getting older and stuff, been getting things that I wanted as a child. I didn't get none of the restocks or whatever back in 10, 20 years ago when whatever they was dropping. Brother was broke, but brother still broke right now, especially after buying these. But with no further ado, man, let's get into this video. I was gonna do all the bells and whistles with this and special effects and explosions and stuff, but we're just gonna show the shoe. So, first thing first, look, got the receipt, finish line, blah blah blah. 231 after tax, so it was 210, 231. Oh, that shit hurt. But anyways, so check it out. Look at this. Bastards. But check out the information. Brother had to go with a 9 because 9.5 is my normal size, but they were sold out. Even with the earlier, the exclusive access or whatever that I got on the finish line. Like by the time I got through, 9.5 was gone. So luckily they still had a 9. So got that. You see my name is on the box and stuff. ChanceJolivette.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
Let's get to the shoe. Let's get to the shoe. So, as I said, man, been wanting these things for forever. OG status. I remember when Jordan was busting their heads with these right here. Fading away on them. Yo, feel good. I see a lot of people. Everybody has seen these videos and stuff. I don't know how the lighting is. I'm trying to give it a feng shui in here. But if the lighting ain't the greatest or whatever, I'm going to have B footage for you to be able to check that out. People talk about the quality of these shoes and stuff, like compared to the OGs and stuff. I don't know. I ain't had them. But as for like the look of these is good. It has that, it's a fake tumble and stuff. It gives me like a beef jerky vibes. Like some very beat up beef jerky. Like it's cool though. It's cool. Like you could tell it's a fake tumble and the material is not the greatest, but it looks beautiful. Like as far as like you a leather connoisseur, you'd be like, But it's just for us like looking like something. This is beautiful. Might not be diamonds, but the cubic zirconium is blinging on these things right here. So you see it, man. It is a very minimalistic shoe. It is black, tumbled faux leather all the way around, and white. They have little small dabs of red. You see in the back, right there. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Since we in the top 75 and the debates and stuff like that, is that egotistical for you to have that on your shoe? I'm the greatest player ever. we see people like Kanye say, I'm great and stuff, and we call him an asshole or something. We've never said anything about MJ like, inspired by the greatest. You got the greatest player ever on your shoe. Then he even sometimes in real life, like he'd be like, well, that's not for me to say. Like, it says right there on your shoe, you're the greatest player ever. But why is there no debate, or why people don't have to throw blowback on this? The brother was good. That boy could play. That boy could play. Got that 2-3 on the tongue. Got that red jump, man. One thing I hate about this shoe, that white bottom. You know that white bottom. Right whenever I do the on foot, ruined. I pray. Well, not pray. I ain't gonna waste my prayers on y'all. But I hope y'all were able to get y'all pass, man. I hope y'all can get them now, or you can wait and maybe catch them on a restock. They said even at the finish line I was at, I was like, did they have a lot of pairs? They was like, oh yeah, they had a lot of pairs. And I was like, because there wasn't nobody in there whenever I went, except for the workers. I was like, did a lot of people come early in the morning? They was like, oh yeah, they had a lot of people. By the time I got there, it was like 11. About 11 o'clock, it was pretty empty, but they said a lot of people had went. So I guess a lot of people went early in the morning or whatever. I went whenever I could, because it was an hour, like 15-minute trip, so had to pump that gas. But anyways, got to get the shoe, so very pleased with that. You see that silver Jordan on the side, or does it say Jumpman? That silver Jumpman on the side. Like, I'm not too crazy about that material or something that look. I don't know how close it was to the OG, if that was the exact same thing or whatever. Like that silver, that material and stuff, it kind of looks cheap. It looks like a Mattel toy type material, something that you would have on a toy or something. They got that material up there. It's plastic. Has a metallic look to it, but it's not metal. They got the Jumpman on the ting right there. Shade. Got that 2-3 in the back, got the Jumpman on the toe. I remember that was a clear indicator of the fakes back in the days, cause it'd be like, oh, that fake ain't got that basketball at the toe and stuff like that. Now, shit, it's so hard to tell nowadays, man, because the fakes they're starting to they're getting pretty good. They got that basketball material, or you can say that reptile type material on the mid guard, whatever you can call it. I don't know. Herringbone traction at the bottom. The shoe was classy, man. Comparison to recent Jordan releases, as far as like the feel and stuff like that. Like, which one feels better? These are a little softer, like up in this area, like around here is about pretty much the same or whatever. Like these feel a little bit softer. These have a little bit of hardness to it, hardness. They cool. Which one y'all pick? Which one y'all pick out of this? Know y'all gonna go to OGs. Let me see what these. Both of them I did a lace swap. Why did I lace swap these? I'm definitely not lace swapping these, but these right here. What do y'all rather? Y'all rather that flat black? That flat black right there? Or that shiny? They both look pretty good. They both look pretty good. I thought these would have been. They might be a little bit softer or whatever, because I guess they don't have that coat over the top of them. And then they've been worn a little bit. Like I wore these like 2 times. Like these are pretty pristine. I wore these about 2 times. It's kind of hard to wear yellow, man, without like just having a stereotypical yellow outfit looking like a banana or whatever. But they fire, man. Hey, fire man. Anyways, it's been 25 year chase or whatever, wanting these things Mama, you ain't got me these. So I'm gonna get them myself. But yeah, gonna do it on foot. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated man. Hopefully you were entertained.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
And hopefully you like the video and everything. Peace.